Lincoln Premier.
59 Lincoln Premier.
No motor, no transmission, no hood. No transmission in it. Body is very little rust in it. Straight. Been sitting here for a few years.
Well, one nice thing about northwest Montana is these things don't rust out.
Got a few bullet holes in it. The interior is pretty much intact. Good parts car, or if a guy's got a 59 Lincoln that's rotted out, you just take this body and put your stuff on it.
We have a rare opportunity here. The entire Stere classic car collection is going up for sale. Dale and Edie are thinking about relocating, and if they do, they'd prefer not to take it with them. Now, this is western Montana, so our cars simply do not rot away. The condition they roll in is the condition they roll out. That's the beauty of living up here. I do not speak for Dale, nor do I dicker on his behalf. You'll have to contact him directly, though you'll find that information in the video description. If you've ever coveted any of the cars you've seen here on Nelson Studios, now is the time to act.